Hey everyone, I was checking out this '02 Suburban today. He brought it back in and said the AC had just completely quit working. I had actually put a complete system on this a few months ago, and then all of a sudden it just quit working. So I started looking around. The scanner was telling me that the ambient air temperature sensor was not reading. I checked the wires on it. All the wires looked like they were good, and the voltage and the ground was both good on it. So I started looking a little bit further, and I found up here at the pressure switch where a mouse had ate into the wires and crossed them, and there was also another wire down there that looked like the same thing, so I ended up fixing those. So just a little suggestion: if you start having some problems like that, you might want to check your wiring for mice. With Oklahoma here, we've been having some 100-degree temperatures, and then it's been falling here lately down, I believe, into the 60s or 70s, something like that at night. So, you know, from going to 100 and dropping 30, 40 degrees, the mice are probably thinking it's getting cold outside. So they're starting to build nests and chew up stuff. So, you know, and before you start replacing parts, just check the wires, make sure that they're not chewed up, and hopefully save you some money instead of replacing everything. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.